When it comes to action cameras, it's hard to avoid the juggernaut that is GoPro. Back in 2002, GoPro started as a way to capture surfing from a unique, in-the-moment perspective. The very first GoPro, which I actually have right here, wasn't a digital camera at all. It was a 35mm film camera that you would strap to your wrist, you'd flip it up mid-wave, snap a shot, and hope for the best. The original Hero walked so today's GoPros could run. But with so many models now, how do you pick the one that's right for you? Let's break it down. The Hero series are the perfect entry point. They're simple, pocketable, shoot in 4K, and are super reliable. The GoPro Hero is the lightest 4K camera they've ever made, and honestly, this thing just works. I've used it for quick city B-roll, and it nails it every time. 4K, 12 megapixel stills, waterproof up to 16 feet, all the essentials. Then there's the lit Hero right here, which takes that same setup and adds a built-in front light. That's been a lifesaver when I'm filming at sunset. It keeps the image clean and avoids that noisy, grainy look. I'm a sucker for any camera that has baked-in light, so this one's been in my backpack lately. Having the light on the lit Hero is perfect, but if you don't really shoot in low light scenarios, the standard Hero is perfect and shoots in the same formats. Now on to the flagship. The Hero13 Black shoots at up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second and even does 400 frames per second for super slow motion. It's the one I'd grab for a trip or a proper production day. It also has a series of lenses and ND filters that you can mount to the front, which further elevates your image. The magnetic side door makes it super convenient to charge while it's mounted, which means you can even run a long time lapse or overnight exposure without worrying about battery swaps. It even shoots in log for more flexibility in your color grade. Now on to the GoPro Max series. The GoPro Max right here records in 5.6K 360 video and captures surprisingly good audio thanks to its 6 mic setup. Here we are on the Highline and we're testing out the 6 mics on the GoPro Max. Let me know how it sounds. The newer Max 2 pushes it up to 8K with 10-bit color and GP log support, so you can color grade like a pro. I'll be honest, 360 video takes a minute to wrap your head around it, but once you start reframing in post, it's really addictive. It's also great for POV adventure shots or behind the scenes footage because you can pick your angle later. So let's recap. Which one's good for you? The GoPro Hero is simple, waterproof, and it's an easy 4K shooter. The lit Hero is basically the same, but it adds more flexibility in low light scenarios. And the Hero13 Black is more pro level with the lenses, the ND filters, the log footage, while still being super rugged. And the Max series is for people who want to capture everything. The basic Max shoots in 5.6K, and if you want to step up your footage, the newer Max 2 pushes it up to 8K with 10-bit color and GP log support, so you can color grade like a pro. And after using all of them, my personal pick is actually the lit Hero just because that built-in light has saved so many shots for me. Which one would you go for? Drop it in the comments below. I'm Patrick with B&H. Thanks for watching.